Hello agriculture aspirants. Here in this new channel we are sharing content which is related to the agricultural practical exam. So you can follow our channel for regular updates as well as contents which are related to the agriculture practical exam. Here in this channel we are sharing some of the important practice questions, so you can increase your score by practicing all these questions. Today in this video we are sharing important breeds of cattle. As you are seeing, there are two types of breeds. First one is indigenous breeds as well as and the second one is exotic breeds in the cattle. And this topic is one of the important topic in your exam, because either they will keep the photo of the specimen, or they may keep the photos of exotic breeds of the cattle and give 4 options to identify those cattle breed based on their physical appearance. So you can follow or see distinguishing features to easily identify those cattle. In this, first you can see the Gir breed of the cattle. It can be identified easily by looking at its half moon shaped horn, and also it's having a typical color, that is dark red or we can say chocolate brown color. So by seeing these features you can identify easily this cattle breed. So there is high chance of keeping this breed because it is a important breed in India. So second cattle breed is, you can see, Kankraj. So this is also can be identified easily by looking at its typical shaped horn. So you don't need to have any other features to identify. And this second cattle is Amrit Mahal, and this can be easily distinguished from that first kind of cattle, that is Kankraj. So here you can see it's having some other different kind of horn shape which is sharp, and it's having a black at the point of its horn. And this is also one of the important drought breed, so you can also expect the photo of this breed. So look carefully into the horns. So based on horn itself you can distinguish so many cattle. Other than that, you can also look into the color of the breed. So this one is Dione. You can also see a typical hump at the back of this cattle, and also it is known by some other name like Dongrapatti and Dongari. So body color usually white spotted black. So you can also easily distinguish this cattle from remaining cattle, and it is also one of the important breed of the cattle in India. You can also look into the other features, like it's having a typical small horn compared to the other breeds which are having in earlier slides you have seen some of the other cattle which are having some different kind, half moon shaped or prominent large horn, but this breed is having a small horn. So you can also identify this based on one horn. Second thing is, you can identify the cattle based on its typical hump in the back. So here you can see Kangayam breed. It is also easily differentiated from other breeds of the cattle. So here you can also notice a small hump on the back of this cattle compared to the earlier one. And also here you can see typical color of this cattle. And sixth cattle is Krishna Valley. Here first one is photo is of female and second photo is of male. So you can also see here females having a hump which is not quite prominent compared to the male. That is, male is having a prominent hump compared to the female. You can expect either photo of female or male, or they may also keep photo of both the species. From that you can identify easily. And another one distinguishing breed or distinguishing character of this breed is, you can look at the tail which touches almost ground. So another breed is Tarpakar. You can easily distinguish this once you look into the specimen, because it's having a typical horn hump at its back, and it's having a black color hump. Usually horns are layer shaped here. And apart from that, exotic breed, in that most of you have seen this HF breed, or you may heard about this breed. It's having typical black and white patches on its body. So you can expect this breed because it is a high milk yielder. Yes, you can also easily distinguish this from other breeds. Another one important breed is Jersey. Most of you heard this name in your home, I think, and most of you may be rearing this cattle also, and it's also one of the heavy milk yielder. So you can also distinguish this base easily based on typical color, which is reddish fawn color, and it's also having the forehead which is stitched. You can look into the image for the forehead. Apart from that, you can expect red Dane. Question on red Dane. It's having, as the name suggests, it's having typical red color, or it's maybe reddish brown, we can also say. Because of this, you can easily identify this cattle. It is also one of the exotic breed, but it is not that much popular as the earlier two. Apart from this one is Ayrshire, and this is also easily it's also having easily distinguishable character, like patches of brown color. Apart from, you can look into the white brown color patches on this body. Once you are able to look into the image, you should be able to name the breed of the cattle. They just ask only the name, so that much is enough. Thank you for watching this, and please subscribe this new channel. And we are having a team of graduates in agriculture only, so we can help you in preparing for this practical exam, and we can also add quality content in these videos. So do follow our channel for regular updates as well as quality video. It can easily yield high marks to you. Thank you one and all.